Now, currently, if I go over to the right, it turns off the lights entirely, but maybe I want to have just sort of another performance over there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to load another song onto that deck. So let's go into my bins, press back, and we'll find my playlist for this particular setup. So there we go. And we're going to load this Friends and I onto this deck. I'm going to press beat sync so they're syncing together. And now with my crossfader over to the left, I'm going to start this track. And because there's a light show on both, now when I cut, they're going to go in between the different shows. Now, right now, I have that crossfader on the first track to through, so I'm going to go to the middle and swap it to A, so now if I go to the right, it's going to cut out that track. So if I wanted to still have a light show but don't want to hear that track, I'm going to move this to through, and then I'm going to bring down the trim pot up top, and so now I can cut So that's how I use my different lighting controls to take a prefab performance and then adjust it on the fly.
Friends and I